Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to use Google Sheets in dark mode. As you can see, this spreadsheet is currently in normal mode. First, click on the three dots in the top right corner to open the Chrome menu. From the menu, go to Extensions, then click on Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type Dark Mode. You'll see the second option called Dark Mode Night Eye. Click on it. Now click the Add to Chrome button. After adding it, click on the extensions icon and pin the dark mode extension. Next, go back to Google Sheets and click on the pinned dark mode extension. Turn on the switch. And just like that, your Google Sheets is now in dark mode. No more eye strain. If this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.